How to fix devices missing important updates when already up to date. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter can automatically identify and resolve common issues with the update process. It's designed to check for errors in the update mechanism and fix them without requiring manual intervention. Fix 2. Check Windows Update Services. Restarting the update services ensures they're running properly and clears any temporary glitches that could interfere with updates. Fix 3. Reset Windows Update Components. Resetting the components involved in the update process removes bugged caches and restores default settings, which can resolve persistent issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.